With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hi everyone, so we are given with a question which says a charged particle having charge 2q and mass m is projected from origin in xy plane with a velocity v inclined at an angle 45 degree with positive x-axis in a region where uniform magnetic field uh, b unit exists along z-axis. The coordinate of the center of the circular path of the particle are. So from here we can try to visualize the given situation over here. We can say uh, a charge is been projected as shown in the figure. It is projected in the xy plane as we can see clearly from the figure, and it has been projected at an angle 45 degree with the positive x-axis. Alright, and also it's been given that the uniform magnetic field is present along z-axis, so we can make it over here as b bar, or we can straight away say it is dot b, that is coming outward. So from here we can say now we know whenever a charged particle is projected in a magnetic field, it has been acted upon by a force, that is Lorentz force, or we can say it has to be a magnetic force which is given by the formula 2q, that is charge has been, or we can just write first the formula, that is q v bar cross b bar. So this is what the formula for a magnetic force looks like. So therefore from here we can say, as per our condition, we can write the value of F can be written as, instead of q, 2q has been given, alright, and v cross b, that is velocity and magnetic field. As we can see both are perpendicular, so we can write it as to be qvb. So let's say this is our equation number 1. So we have already covered that whenever particle is projected in a magnetic field, so it's acted upon by a force, alright, which is perpendicular to the direction of velocity. So if we try to draw it over here, so we can say a force will be perpendicular to the velocity, alright. So from here we can clearly see that it takes a circular path. We can say by right hand palm rule we can find the direction of force as well. So we have to just put the thumb in the direction of velocity and finger in the direction of magnetic field, so palm will give the direction of force, which is this towards this which we have shown it over here. So we can say now uh, and the path which has been followed by the projectile or the charge, we can say it is a circular path. So we can say a necessary centripetal force must be there for a particle to perform circular motion. So this force that is we have calculated will provide the necessary centripetal force. So we can write Fc, that is centripetal force will be provided by 2qvb, alright, and we can say from here Fc, that is centripetal force, we can write it as to be mv square by r, where r is the radius of that circular path, and we can clearly see that the center will lie of this circular motion, the center will lie on this line only. So let's suppose we can say it is lying over here, so we have to just calculate the coordinates of it. So we can say now mv square by r will be equals to 2qvb. So from here we can see one v will get cancelled out, and what we are left with is, therefore from here the value of r comes out to be mv by 2qb. Alright, so this is what the radius we have calculated, and to calculate the coordinates, so this coordinate is 0 comma 0 comma 0, alright, since it lies on the origin. So for x and y coordinate, we can say this is the x coordinate and this will be the y coordinate, and as we can see the y coordinate is lying in the negative y axis. So we can say x coordinate will be nothing but it can be written as r cos 45. This angle is also 45 over here, so we can say r cos 45 will be the x coordinate, and we can say r sin 45 will be the y coordinate. Therefore we can say x coordinate will be r cos 45, that is equals to r has been given as mv by 2qb, which we have proved. Cos 45 is 1 by root 2. Alright, so from here we can say this value can be written as, similarly we can say its y coordinate can be written as, y coordinate will be r sine of 45, and that would be again can be written as mv, but here it will be a negative this time because it is lying in the negative y-axis. Alright, so this is what the coordinates we have calculated. So it will be z coordinate will be 0 in this case. So we can say, if we compare the options, so this is not correct, this is also not correct, this is also not correct. Here has 2, so we can say option D is the right answer to this question. So I hope you have understood the concept, and thank you for watching.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut App today.